everyone. Today we will learn how to use first conditional. My name is Evelyn Hernandez and I'm happy that you watched this tutorial. Welcome. Do you believe in superstitions? If not, keep calm and say no to the superstition. But if you do believe, you will be interested in this topic. First of all, we can define the word superstition: a belief or practice resulting from ignorance, fear of the unknown, trust in magic or chance, or a false conception of caution. Now, we are going to define what the first conditional is. When we talk about first condition, we talk about possible situations in the future. The grammar structure is the following: the if clause plus main clause. In other words, the first one is the condition and the second is the result. Or we can say the first is the main clause and then is the if clause. Examples: if you find a 4-leaf clover, you will have good luck. Or if you walk under a ladder, you will have bad luck. If you see a black cat, you will have bad luck. If you blow out the candles of your birthday cake with one breath, your wish come true. Helpful tips. Number 1. We don't use will in the if clause. Number 2. The if clause can come first or second. Number 3. When the if clause is first, we need a comma. For example, you will have 7 years of bad luck, comma, if you break a mirror. You will have bad luck, comma, if it is Friday the 13th. So, thank you for your attention. I hope that you find useful this video. And don't forget, learning is fun. Bye.